Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation PK Freelancer. I'm Mohammad Shifla Hawladar, and here you can see the PK Freelancer website is a freelancing website where two type of user presents, clients and developer. Here you can see a user is already logged in, so I'm currently logging out here. And then if we want to create a new user, we can go here like create a new user here. So I'm creating a new user. There are two types of user, developer and client. I'm selecting developer here. So after clicking the registration button, the account has been created successfully, but an email has been sent to the new user's email address so that it can be activated through email system. So there should have been an email address here. So from with this email activation clicking, we can activate the new account here, and you can see that the account is already activated, and it's logged in through the activation also. So here is the profile of the new user. So from where we will work with a existing user here. So I'm logging with another account. Here you can see there are two or more options in sign login page. Here you can click the remember me button so that it can remember for 1 month until you log out manually. And also there is a function for forgot password if you want to reset your password, so that you can get it like if I want to reset my password, it will send a reset a code to the given email address. So if we want to see whether there are any emailers, here is a reset password email. So if I click on this, you will get a new form to reset your password. So I will log in now with an existing user. Here you can give the email address or username. So here is the home page. Here you can find the user profile here with some basic information and some contact information, and as is the developer. So you will see some different skills of the user. Skills can be a programming language and other skills, and also you can edit the profile of this of the user, so that if you want to change like some for apartment X to Y, you can change it like here. The profile is updated already. Also an image can be uploaded from here, so that if I upload the image, it will automatically change here. So image is uploaded here. The edit option is only visible to the current user. The profile is publicly visible, but it can only be edited by the user himself. So if we go to the project page here, you can see there are some already posted projects which can be bided by this developer. For example, if we go to the online food court project, you can see the details of the project, and expected skills and project categories are there. Who posted the project is also there. And if you want to bid this project, you have to click on this button. So the developer have to put true information here, how many hours he will need to complete this project. Suppose he needs 20 hours, so, and also he is expecting 1000 as a payment. So with this true information, if you want to bid, he can bid this project. So from this you can see that in online food court project there is no option for bidding. he can so on the other projects he can bid there, but not the online food court here. To see the project, whether it's with the bidding, how it works, we will go to another window to log in as a client. So we have a client user here. So in client users profile, there are two more tabs for the in profile page. Here the project builds and the SN projects here. There is only the projects we just bidded here. In other window is this the online food court, and the list of all the bid will come here under this projects, and the client will select according to the required hour and payment information here, and also the developer skills, and he will have to click on the SN project button here so that he can select this developer. And and here is another tab is like who's are working on his other projects. So if I click on the SN project, you will assign this developer, and project assignment has been successful. So you can see this the online food bidding is empty now. Now the SN in SN project, you can see that it's assigned to this developer. Online food code is assigned to this developer. Also you can mark as a complete, is it complete or not. If I mark this PK Freelancer project for as a complete, so it will not be in the project list again. Here it is. If we refresh this page, you can see that it's gone from here. So also we can search the projects here, like if I search with movie, and you will see that only this project is showing here. No other project will be show here. So um, project search is working here. And in home page there are two other option here is like the client list is there. You can see that a list of clients is there. You can search for clients here according to his name or rating or email address. Also the uh, the same feature is present for the client also. If you want to search for developer, he can choose I want to hire. So there is a list of developer here. You can search with name, email, or skills. Like if you want to search is like with name, it will search here, so that only the this name is appears there. Also there is a messaging system here for the if a existing client want to talk to his developer, or a developer want to discuss with his client regarding the projects, they can do instant messaging there. You can see the list of current clients under developer profile, and a list of current developers working under the client is here. You can select the user here, and the window will appear here so that he or she can chat with this account, this user. So the user, the client, and the developer can instant message with each other. Like here, the developer is knocking the client here. So you can see this message is sent, and in the other window, you can see the message is received here. And from client side, client also can instantly reply, like, so the message is here. Also you can see the message is here. So using this feature, the client and the developer can communicate each other until the project is finished. After the project is finished, the user name and the developer name from the current developer and the client name from the current client will be removed from here, so they cannot discuss anything further.